Hey guys, welcome back to Man's Inventions. So, there's that washing machine motor again. Oh, there's a wheel. Look around here. There's one post that we made. It's actually on the drift trike. Then I made a whole nother one for that other one. Built all the sprockets like you saw in that last episode. Put it all in here. And if I step back a little bit, the whole thing is ready to go in the paint booth. Okay, so the other one isn't on. I haven't put it on yet because it's just about ready to go in the paint booth. And I'm going to keep the whole back chrome looking. This was a mess. I'd done hours and hours of sanding on this, guys, like you wouldn't believe. And then all this morning, I didn't realize, but the front end was all crooked. And it had actually happened through a crash. I crashed into a tree ages ago and I forgot all about it. And it had crumpled up one side, and I wasn't really going to say anything about it, but I made all of these bits and pieces up here to go in the footrest. So I took off the neck, made up these pole things so I could wrench it all back over, and it's all pretty good now. And, it should ride fairly straight now. Um, So yeah, guys. Like I was saying, been doing a lot of sanding on the footrests here, all around here. Um, I was thinking of making this red, but I'm actually going to keep it black because this was Venom. This was Venom, so Venom was in Spider-Man was black, right? So he wasn't red at all. So see on the generator side here, how I've got the bigger one here, and then that'll be going to like one of these that'll be on this side. See, I still don't know, guys. This is early days for knowing where my batteries and stuff are going to go down here, how they're going to fit, and all of that stuff, all of that juicy content coming up. So yeah, I've got to move this one over a little bit. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Oh, my battery is getting low. Okay, I didn't see that coming. Alright, that's alright, I still got 15%. So, look at this. This is cool, eh? So, with the small one down here, I was actually just going to use this as regen because I'm presuming that if I had this, like the switch on all the time, with this generating power straight back to the batteries, which would be over here, that it would have some sort of lag all the time. Like a brake, and then this one will be trying to push, and then this one will be trying to stop. You know what I mean? All the time. So compared to go with this one, and then when I needed to sort of brake, I could flick my on switch on along the positive line, which I have on the, because this will be hooked up to a bridge rectifier, and coming out of that on the DC side, but coming back to the batteries, I'll have a switch on the positive side. So I could flick that on, and then regen would kick in. See, because this will be spinning all the time. But if you look at the gearing, there's a small one down here and a big one up here. And on the other side, it's a freewheel one here and a small one here. And that's the way you want it for the motor side. And this is the way you'd want it for the generator side, because you don't want this thing spinning too fast, but fast enough, of course. So that's why that's like that. So this one will be spinning a little bit slower than what this one will be. So yeah, guys, this is like an update. As you can see, this was all black before. Look at that, eh? Isn't that beautiful? I'm hoping to blind some people with this because it's the first. It's the first twin washing machine trike. Well, it's a drift trike, but I don't use it for drifting. I just use it as a trike. And I swapped over. This is the drive side. It's one wheel peel because it's better for turning abilities, of course. And so this is the grippier tire. And this is the one here I nearly burnt out. Farewell to Venom, the drift trike. It's good up here, not so good down there. But yeah, man, that was a good burnout. Had smoke pouring off that wheel. So all of this was pretty cool, eh, guys? You saw that in my last vid. How to do all that stuff. So yeah, it was a lot of work involved. I added in all of these plates, all of this. Had to build all new stems for the other side here. This is a duplicate of this side. See? And back then, if you look here, I had to bits and piece this one together. Whereas this one was a straight out, beautiful, finished form. And also had to make a guard because this here was pretty close to the backrest. So, and yep, the old classic Dukes of Hazzard style mags. Um, and I had to get my spacings right, of course, from the wheel to the motor here because I didn't want those touching. So that's about the same on the other side too. And yeah, guys, like I was saying, I'm just about ready to undercoat part of it from here up to here, and then paint that part back to black, and then keep all the back silver, and clear coat that, and then pretty much start um, putting the chains and stuff on, guys, and putting the motor and all that on, and trying to work out a place where to put all the batteries and make a battery box and all that stuff in here. Yeah, it's a mission. It's a big mission. It's been hours and hours of work so far, as you can see. Um, but I'll stand back. Yeah, it looks pretty good, eh? This is going to be awesome. And there's going to be some pretty cool tests coming up. Some of my subscribers are pretty clever, and some of the suggestions they have, and they're pretty much, they're pretty clued up. I must say, with some of the comments I've been reading, very clever, awesome stuff, guys. It's very interesting stuff, and we're going to see the results of this hopefully in the next up and coming test, guys. Oh, she's been a mission and a half, but I'll keep you updated, guys. Awesome stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Cool. Cruise man out, guys.